Top of the hour, let's begin with an international update. As far as Donald Trump is concerned, there seems to be no end to his tariff tantrums. In a latest announcement, Trump has halted tariffs on China. In fact, when it comes to the extension that has now been given to China for yet another 90 days, that has now been announced by President Donald Trump. And now this is coming at a time when every country who was considered as an ally, as a friend, where he seems to be teaming up when it comes to the tariff and the percentage is concerned. However, an adversary like China, the leniency continues. Let's put out as far as what President Trump has said, making that announcement as far as extending 90-day pause that was already given to China for another 90 days that has now been announced by President Donald Trump. He says on this post on Truth Social that I have just signed an executive order that will extend the tariff suspension on China for another 90 days. All the other elements of the agreement will remain the same. Thank you for your attention on this matter. Donald J. Trump, President of the United States of America. That's all he seems to have mentioned. As far as also going on to say that the agreement between America and China, however, continues to remain the same. But as far as the time is concerned, that has now been extended for another 90 days. So this is what he says, signing the executive order that will extend the tariff suspension on China for another 90 days. All the other elements of the agreement will remain the same. Well, that is coming in from the President of the United States. Let's get a word from Srinjoy, who's connected with us on the phone line. Srinjoy, good morning. A friend like India, you know, the tariff hike continues. But an adversary like China, leniency on part of Donald Trump also continues.
There is an economic worry as far as China is concerned, because America is the world's largest importer and China is the world's largest exporter. The amount of goods that China exports to America is enormous. And if there is an enormous tariff on all the goods that the Chinese export to America, then very clearly there will be serious inflation in the United States. So Trump, in a sense, has no choice. If he had to impose serious tariff on the Chinese goods, then there would be serious inflation in the United States. He has to be aware of the fact that he has to protect his supporters, people who have voted for him, who, if they find that they are facing inflation of the levels that can happen because of tariffs imposed on Chinese products, then they may not support him anymore. So these are very strong political considerations, and Trump is keeping in mind those economic issues when he stops, at least for 90 days, the new tariffs on China. China's exports to the United States are huge, being the world's largest exporter and America being the largest importer.
Right. But when we speak of talks or negotiations, Srinjoy, the delay was expected outcome from the latest round of talks that has also been happening between the U.S. trade negotiators and their Chinese counterparts.
Yes. Now, these talks will continue because America realizes that unless there is some level of sensible tariffs on the Chinese, it will hurt them more than they hurt the Chinese. So this is a problem that the Americans face. When you import the kind of goods you get from China, and also the amount, then you have to be very careful. So if you're importing the kind of goods you're buying from China, then to impose tariffs suddenly on them would become very counterproductive. Donald Trump probably realizes that, his people realize it, and this is what they've advised.
All right. Please to stay on with us, Srinjoy. Major General Shashi Asthana is also connected with us. Sir, good morning to you. We are looking at, wars that have been taking place, and we talk about tariff wars. And one of the two biggest economies, if we speak of US and China. However, what is that the leniency towards China continues? Being an adversary, but being a friend and ally like India, Donald Trump seems to be hiking with his tariff tantrums.
Donald Trump, when he is looking at China, he is looking differently for the simple reason because the dependencies on China are far too much. And he tried it out earlier because if you recall, he had taken the tariffs on China up to 245%. And after certain measures were done by China in a manner that they stopped some amount of critical minerals and magnets and the rare earths being shipped to America, then they realized that it may not work out. And therefore, they came down, and President Trump also has to blink. And with the result that the tariff war ended in some manner or the other.
Yes.
So he had a bout of high tariffs with China already. Now he's trying out the other BRICS countries, which is Brazil and India. So his basic problem is that he is worried about the interstate trade of BRICS getting stronger and dollar getting weaker in case BRICS countries start.
Well, he has already been considering as far as BRICS to be anti-dollar and anti-American policies. Thank you very much, Asana sir, for your point of view. But this is coming at a time while United States and China had been slapping, escalating tariffs on each other's products this year, then bringing them to prohibitive triple digits, and then snarling trade both countries, then later agreed to temporarily lower them down.